Hey everyone! I'm Anet and welcome back to my channel, Anet Rose. I've been waiting for this moment for a while and it's finally here. This is the MacBook Air M5 in the color sky blue. Before this I had my MacBook Air M1 since 2020 and it's been with me through everything, school, late night, Netflix, editing, but I felt like it was finally time to upgrade, especially because of the storage. I went for the 16GB of RAM and 512 of storage, which feels perfect for the way I use my laptop. I'm usually editing videos, drawings, doodling, and always have way too many tabs open. So this just makes everything feel a lot smoother. It's also super thin and lightweight, and the color is honestly, oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed.
Use English as the main language.
Usar español estadounidense como el idioma principal. Presiona la tecla retorno.
I also got a few accessories for it. I found a blue case to match the color and a little bunny keychain, which is so cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to start editing my videos on this studio and just using it in my everyday life.
soup on.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.